Hello, I would like to ask a question. Do you pay zakat on jewelry, gold jewelry?
Do you pay zakat on jewelry? There
Yes.
is two opinions on how to calculate and how to pay zakat on jewelry, and I'm assuming you're talking of women's jewelry, and
Women's jewelry,
specifically
yes.
I'm assuming you're talking of gold and silver jewelry. Would that be right?
That's correct. That's right.
Okay, so in the Hanafi madhab, women will pay zakat on their jewelry if it is above the nisab amount. And of course, they will add that to other zakatable assets when they are paying their zakat. And the calculation on jewelry, specifically for gold and silver jewelry, the calculation is based on the weight of the jewelry and not the value for which you buy or sell it for. This is in the case of a woman who keeps jewelry for personal adornment. That is in the case of the Hanafi madhab. In the case of the Shafi, Maliki and Hanbali madhabs, women who purchase or have jewelry for personal adornment, there is no zakat on that, except that there are some scholars who believe, even within the Shafi and Hanbali and Maliki madhab, that if the value of the jewelry is excessive, as determined by the ulama of that community or that country, then they will be liable for the zakat on that jewelry as well. We have not set a standard in South Africa, but let me give you a hypothetical situation. So let's assume that in South Africa, the ulama have decided that women are exempt for jewelry for the first 20,000 rand. That means any jewelry under 20,000 rand, in the case of a Shafi'i, there will be no zakat, but anything over 20,000, they will pay zakat on that value that is over 20,000. But like I said, in South Africa, as of yet, I don't think that there is a norm or a standard established. And so the normal ruling is Hanafi women will pay zakat on jewelry irrespective of value over the nisab, and the Shafi'i do not pay if it is for personal adornment.
Oh.
Does it help you with your answer, brother?
Yeah. Just if she wears the jewelry every day, does it work? She still got to pay?
Sorry, say again.
If she wears the jewelry,
Hanafi or Shafi?
Hanafi.
Hanafi, irrespective of the intention, she will pay zakat.
Okay, shukran.
In the Hanafi, irrespective of what you do with the jewelry, it is zakatable. In the Shafi'i, if it is used regularly or often, then it is not zakatable. But if it is kept away as an investment or as a storage,
Yes.
then too it is zakatable in that case, in the case of a Shafi'i, if it is not used regularly. Of course, the challenge is the definition of regularly hasn't been defined, so that also becomes a challenge.
Okay, shukran, brother.
Jazakallah, shukran.